Welcome back to Blooming Rose Academy English Class 10th English textbook First Flight from the lesson first of its poem Dust of Snow. This poem is composed by Robert Frost. As I told you in the summary of the first lesson that Robert Frost was an American poet and he was also a literature writer. In this poem, Robert Frost has said that how a snow of dust has changed the mood of the poet. Sometimes we find ourselves that we are in difficulties, in depression, in sadness in our life due to some problems of our life. And at that time, we think that we have no any other ways that how we would overcome from our difficulties. And at that time, we sat down somewhere with sadness. And at that time, if any incident that changes our mood, or if we get something motivation from anywhere, then it again energizes us. And in the same way, in this poem, the poet Robert Frost has shown that how nature could be also very helpful in changing our mood. The summary of this poem: once poet was very sad, very depressed due to something unknown difficulties of his life. And on that day, he was very depressed. He has no idea that what he had to do because he was not in a mood that he could do anything. So, the poet went and sat down under a hemlock tree, and he found himself, he was sitting over there with sadness and thinking something. Then suddenly a crow came from somewhere, and the crow tried to sit on the branches of hemlock tree, and then due to shaking of the feet of crow, some dust of snow fell down on the body of the poet. So, a poet who was sitting under the hemlock tree, he was in a great sadness and frustration, and only a little dust of snow had changed his mood. And by this way, on that particular day, on which day the poet was not in a mood, not in a happy mood that he could do anything, it changes his mood. And then the poet thanked to the God as well as the nature that on that day only a sudden gust of dust of snow had changed his mood, and he has saved his life from spoiling. Otherwise, on that day he was not in a mood to do anything. So, thus, this is a summary of this poem, and in this poem, a tree has described hemlock tree. Hemlock tree, it is a poisonous tree, and in this poem, the poet has shown two main factors: the crow and the hemlock tree. The hemlock tree is a kind of poisonous tree. Crow is not taken positively. It is always because its sound is very harsh. It is very clever. It is unscrolling. So, how a tree, hemlock tree, which is poisonous, which is also taken as a bed, a crow, due to its harshness, it is also taken wrongly. And these two negative things had changed the poet's negative mind into positive way. This is the main summary and theme of this poem. That's it. Thank you.